how to find events inside of Decentraland. Why do I need to know about Decentraland? Why would you want to go to a Decentraland event? What are they? Let's go. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible for the beginners who have never been to an event inside of Decentraland and really just want to get involved in the metaverse, jump into the metaverse right now today without a VR headset or anything like that. Well, you would want to go to a Decentraland event. They're filled with humans. It's an amazing party. I think Decentraland is really just about partying, dancing, and meeting people and just having a good time. I really think that's the ultimate spirit of Decentraland. People can choose to develop what they want to on Decentraland simply because they can buy their own land, make their own club or venue, or, you know, sell their own products and things like that. There's several brands, there's several people, there's amazing artists, and there's wonderful people that you should definitely spend time inside of the metaverse meeting. So the term metaverse isn't necessarily defined by Decentraland. Decentraland is a metaverse, if that makes sense. If you already play Decentraland, skip this video. It's not for you. So you are going to navigate over to decentraland.org. And to access Decentraland, you just head over, sign in with your MetaMask, and you're pretty much good to go. This is how you navigate. Why am I going on about this? Well, I think it's important that you know that there's different events, you know, typically happening. I mean, these events happen live, so you can show up to an event. People are tangible. You can talk to them. Very fun time. From the decentralization of Decentraland, it's quite impressive. You have a lot of features rolled into one. You have a DAO, you have a coin, which that's a whole separate conversation. And you have a decentralized marketplace for people to buy and sell wearables. You also have land. Just to give some context, you know, Decentraland was around before OpenSea. You know, OpenSea just kind of listed a bunch of Decentraland wearables and things like that. Decentraland's truly the OG. It's been around for several years now. Log into the events section. You're going to see a lot of different events. Just go to a Decentraland event, you know, make time. You know, there's several ways that you can find, follow, and turn on notifications for Decentraland events. That's what I would recommend doing, because that's how you're going to find a lot of people. And I actually made a video with NFT Times, because as I'm filming this, I'm like, oh, wait a minute. I already kind of did a video like this. Okay, yeah. I just found it. It's called How to Find a Billionaire NFT Collector Inside of Decentraland. And in that video, if you want to see me on NFT Times, then go watch this video, wherever it's at. You actually don't have to have a VR headset to participate and experience the metaverse. There is no app on the phone. So if you're watching this on your phone, then you're going to have to wait, because Decentraland does not have an app currently. But don't let that stop you from getting involved with Decentraland. Find a way. I mean, you know, if there's a will, there's a way. Get involved with Decentraland. Show up to an event or two. Definitely make time and prioritize the events inside of Decentraland, because I promise you, so many people spend so much time to really provide an amazing entertained inside of Decentraland. I've been to all these amazing parties and just met so many amazing people, and you might actually want to watch my old video that I made literally forever ago, and it was celebrating the first year anniversary of Decentraland. You can check that video out. I really find it interesting to actually interview. If you want to know why I interview people inside of the metaverse, definitely leave a comment down below. Well, I think that you should know about Decentraland events simply because they're really fun. And if you go to one, I think you'll know what I'm talking about. This video is more or less just trying to explain the events to people who have never even heard about Decentraland, and kind of point people in the right direction of amazing people inside of the Web3 space are so talented here. You will seriously be amazed. Also, recently I found a video that you can link Tezos with Decentraland, and I think that's amazing. So we're going to definitely be doing that. So if you're watching me and you've seen my older Tezo's videos and you're like, what is Decentraland? What is the metaverse? You can link Tezo's NFTs inside of Decentraland, and I will definitely be covering that sometime soon. Leave a comment if you want to see it. So essentially, when you get to the events page of Decentraland, you can see the events that are happening now and live, and you can jump in there and just hit jump in. Or you can see when events are going to happen. And as you can see, there's quite a bit of events this hour, and it looks like, you know, there's quite a bit of events within the next day or so. And this Rocking Unicorns looks so cool. I'm probably going to go to that event. So what I'm going to do is, you know, May 22nd, at the time of recording this video, it is May 20th. So maybe when this video goes up, this event will be live. And yeah, so essentially, you know, I'm going to take note, you know, I'm just going to calendar this in. It's May 22nd. What time is it? You know, it's at 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. UTC, which is in my time zone. And yeah, it's got the event name and, you know, other event info that I might need to know, like the website and their Twitter, you see? And that's how you kind of just navigate Decentraland. You know, you find events that are about to happen, take note of them. I'm not going to go through every single event for the next 4 or 5 months right now, but there's several events booked out. There's even events that happen annually. Literally, events are the crucial backbone of Decentraland. Without events, literally Decentraland, yeah, wouldn't be as fun as of right now, if that makes sense. And obviously in the future, because Decentraland's decentralized and things like that, I'm almost positive that we're going to see this huge influx of indie game developers and things like that built on top of Decentraland, if that makes sense. So the games are going to get more complex. The parcels are going to rise higher. You know, if you're watching this and you have excess land and you're thinking about donating a piece to me, let me know. Just gotta show my shot, you already know. But yeah, I definitely don't have any land or anything like that. I just show up to the events, I interview people, so you might see me at a future event, and if you do, definitely show up and say what's up. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and if y'all want to go see, and speaking of Decentraland interviews, you can watch 2 new interviews that I have on the channel right up here, wherever, whichever side it is again. And yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. I'm Logan the Dude, otherwise known as NFT Gospel, and thank y'all so much for watching this video. Have a great rest of your evening. Thank you. I love curating wearables inside of Decentraland. It's like one of my favorite things to do, is look at outfits, fashion, you might say. Just look at my shirt. All right, cool. So if this is your very first, all right, cool. So this is your very first time. What?